So guys, tristement, dernière vidéo à Hawaï. Calisse que c'était hot. Calisse qu'on a passé des belles vacances. C'est complètement insane. On revient juste de Maui. Le nightlife était pas débile. Nous, on a brossé comme des porcs, mais le nightlife était quand même tranquille. Fait que là, on vient tout juste d'arriver à Honolulu. Puis là, on manque pas notre chance pour le plus gros fucking event avant de partir. Fait qu'on s'est dit, c'est nous qui va l'organiser. Checkez bien ça.
What's that?
Smell.
What is it?
Cornrow.
Nice. Nice, man. Puis là, faut pas oublier la règle numéro 1 pour un bon party, c'est des invités. Fait que là, on s'en va les chercher, ça part. What's up, guys? What's your guys' name? What's your name?
I'm Emily.
Felix.
Nice to meet you.
Are you guys from here?
No.
No?
From Georgia.
What are you guys doing tonight? Because like we're throwing a big party on Waikiki Beach, like right here. We're recruiting right now.
Okay.
See if anybody wants to come.
Yeah, sounds good.
Do you want to take my Instagram? So if you want to come, I can text you the.
Until Tuesday.
Cool. All right, there you go.
Thank you.
So if y'all want to come, text us. Hey, have a good day. Ben, c'est ce petit jeu-là. Fait que là, les premières petites sont invitées. Ça, c'est fait. On n'en parle plus, on passe au prochain.
Des Québécois,
C'est quoi en 2 jours, man?
on fait un party ici, sur la beach.
Ah ouais? Ouais.
Aidez-nous sur Instagram si vous voulez, puis on va vous dire ça start quand puis tout. Là, on a invité plein de monde.
On est en train de recruter le monde dans le fond. Ah ouais?
Ouais.
Je sais pas qui est.
Ah, tantôt, boys.
Allez, amusez-vous. Allez,
Il a fallu qu'encore un hostie de fois, on voit du monde avec la même chemise que j'avais, que ce soit des Québécois.
Ah, c'est quand?
On est tellement touristes,
Ah, ça a
tabarnak,
pas de
là.
bon sens.
You look like a cool dude! You look like a really cool dude!
Thank you, man.
We're throwing a big party tonight on the beach. Hey, we're asking a lot of girls to be there and cool dudes like you.
Shout
See you there maybe?
Yeah, I'll go.
Yeah? What's your name?
Dave.
Dave, I'm Matt.
Right on, man.
Nice to meet you. OK. Fait que là, on a un cool dude qui a un bateau. Fait que c'est quand même hot.
Eh oui.
Là, je sais pas ce qui se passe. Vous êtes toutes les petites sont rendues dans l'eau. Hello. Sorry guys, I came from all the way there to tell you we're doing a big party there tonight. So yeah, if you guys want to come, we'll be right there at like 9:30, 10 p.m. it starts. Maybe. Okay, good. Bye-bye. Ils sont crampés.
Hi,
Hi.
how are you?
Good.
Like we're throwing a big party on the beach.
Okay.
So if you want to come later with your friends, y'all are invited. Because we're gathering everybody right now.
Okay.
And then there's maybe like 60 people that we gathered, so.
Okay. Yeah,
Yeah.
I'll ask my friend which one's coming.
Cool. Oh, there you go. I took a screenshot. Okay, text us.
Bon, pendant qu'on invitait des petites au party, on avait acheté une caisse de bière qu'on voulait donner à du monde pour qu'ils viennent à notre party. Puis là, on la laisse 2 minutes, genre, sans surveillance pendant qu'on filme. Les hosties de BS là-bas, qui prennent la caisse, qui rouvrent nos bières, qui commencent à en boire. On en revient, la caisse est plus là. Comme des fêtes, c'est eux qui les avaient dans les mains, puis ils nous regardaient en riant, les hosties chinois. Fait que là, on se laisse pas piler ses pieds, on se venge en live.
Yeah. 20 minutes ago, we had 6 beers, okay? We went filming for like 1 minute, and these people stole beers from us. And I have on my mind these guys for the last 30 minutes. I want a revenge.
How much do you want?
I don't know because I might
Hey.
pick it up.
We give you another beer if you help
Nah, hell
How much
no.
you want?
I need
10
some.
bucks.
You need some money?
20?
Yeah.
20?
Okay. It's a deal.
All right, boy.
They stole from us, alright? So, if you could stole something from us,
Oh no.
Oh, let's go.
a little
No.
beer.
No, I'm not gonna
No?
take nothing, man.
Okay, let's forget this idea.
No, let's go. No, cause I need $20. Get the stick.
Get the stick.
What the fuck?
Where my beer at? Hey. Oh no! These are identical twins. Where you guys get this? They look the same. Nah, the guys.
Oh yeah?
Was it good?
Yeah, did you see it?
What happened?
Oh, nothing. That's like, where you guys get them buds from? I
Oh.
said they look identical to where this one come from.
Well, you did the best you could.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're giving you 100 because you're a savior.
Oh, you serious?
Oh yeah, bro, you're the best.
Are you serious?
Oh yeah, you really are the best.
Oh my God. Okay.
Yeah.
Hey,
Thomas,
wait for call.
thank you very much.
Okay.
Have a great night. You're the best. Fuck those guys.
Yeah, but I want to fuck their old lady.
Oh, okay.
You know, I want to, you know, screw, like, but, you know, I need a condom. That's what I
You need a condo. You want a condo?
No, I said a condom.
A big condo.
No, a condom.
Condom.
I want to fuck their old lady.
Oh,
Fuck, you
okay.
say fuck them. I don't want to fuck them. I want to fuck their old lady.
You're the real king of Hawaii. Congrats. See you soon, bro.
All right. you
Have
gotta
a great night.
Okay.
Bon, on vient d'arriver à la fucking plage. J'étais avec Book, mon seul vrai frère hawaïen. Grosse fucking déception. Il pleut.
Tu commences à mouiller ta
Je sais pas
barnaque.
si on le voit, mais il pleut. C'est la première calice de fois qu'il pleut ici. No joke, ça fait fucking chier. Fait que là, il y a comme 4-5 groupes de personnes séparés. Là, on s'est dit à la place, on va tous aller vers les nightclubs dans la ville. Fait que ça change un peu les plans. Mais faut quand même passer la plus belle soirée de notre vie. Fait qu'on lâche pas.
You're not that guy, pal.
Yeah, John!
You're not that guy. Okay? Absolutely.
They all say I'm a max and I got it, but nobody knows I be stressing about college and all the tuition. I'm thinking about sipping, I feel like I still don't get ready. Don't listen, these people be fake to me, I cut them off and they speak on my name like I'm the one who tripping. How you playing victim, you the one that did it. You catches my feelings and wanted to sit in some cash. Don't try to make me feel bad for thinking I'm not me, I promise I'm just like the rest. You should feel good about yourself, keep your head over high like you know that you passing the test.
Hawaï est un peu plus calme à matin. Big, grosse soirée.
Ah, Big, ça a aucun calice de bon sens, man.
Le nightclub, hein?
Ah, Big, la plus grosse soirée qu'on a eu à date dans le plus gros fucking bar, man. On s'est pogné une chambre privée avec 2 bouteilles, esti qui allumait, clac, clac. C'était calissement
Clac,
hot.
clac. Pis toi, t'as eu du fun pas mal, là, avec nous autres sur le dance floor, pis tout, là?
Ouais, c'était hot. Dans le
Ouais.
fond, je suis venu pour filmer sur le dance floor. Et le gars m'a dit, hey, si tu filmes, on va te gunner. J'étais là, oh. Ok, alright, laissez faire. Fait que là, je sors dehors, genre pour chiller dehors. Je vois un gars qui arrive puis qui court ici. Je m'en reviens, bam, bam, bam. Je me fais geler. Je suis genre, wow, what the fuck? Il y a un gars qui essaie de m'aider. Bam, il se fait geler, il tombe à terre, man. La police arrive, gros. Fait que, grosse crise de soirée.
No joke, fuck le beach party, fuck la pluie, mais le fucking nightclub,
Ouais, ça a bien fait en
les gunshots, les coups de poing en face.
Ouais, yeah, let's go! Bon, hier soir, on s'est fait éclater au bar, mais là, aujourd'hui...
Tu t'es fait éclater au bar.
Ouais, ok, je me suis fait éclater au bar. Mais là, on passe à autre chose. C'est notre dernière journée, fait qu'on veut en profiter en malade.
Big, arrête-toi.
Oh, c'est tabarnak, on fait ça.
Ok, ça a l'air complètement malade. Là.
Ok, ouais, on fait ça.
You want to rent one of these?
Yeah, we'd like to do a gold digger prank.
I mean, it's not a Lamborghini.
Well, no, but there's a turtle on it. That's in our budget, so we have to take this.
Well, right here, after the video, just hand someone out front the ticket and I'll show you to the little coop.
Fait que là, faut écouter une vidéo avant de rentrer dans le petit tricycle de marde. Là. Fait qu'on va y aller dessus.
Hello. Do you have a car? Oh, I do.
Ça va bien.
Ouais, j'ai bien fait de faire comprendre là.
Fait que là, on a un char plus laid, puis moins rapide que lui qu'on avait.
Ouais, c'est ça là, c'est un 2 places. Puis les filles, ça tripe ces 2 places. Fait que genre, ouais, c'est calme.
Shawty pick it on me, got a fat ass and a train stand. Pump forward lanes and my bitch don't like to talk back. Hey, bitch I'm smoking in an iPad. Heater on me, bitch I'm sending shots, we gon' bust check. Pick it on me, got a fat ass and a train stand. Pump forward lanes and my bitch
You're gonna give me a push? Thank you, bro! No way! Ouais, ça va rendu dans la savane, là. Oh!
Thank you, bro.
Pas de bro. Là, on va trouver de la petite.
Ouais, legit. Non, c'est faut que tu leur fasses salut avant qu'on se donc.
Ah, ok.
tant qu'à avoir investi dans une grosse machine de même, faut que ça rapporte. Prank, Gold Digger. On va voir si c'est des Gold Digger à Hawaï. Let's go!
Hey, sorry. What's your name? Yana. Yana, nice to meet you. I'm Felix. Are you from here?
No.
Okay, because I just moved in and I was like looking for anybody to be friends. So maybe do you mind if I grab your number? Or?
No, sorry.
Oh, yeah?
I'm on the go.
Okay,
sorry.
but like, do you know what it is?
Yes.
That's my car.
Yeah, it's really nice, but I have to say something.
It's green, 2 places.
I'm sorry.
You sure?
So, yeah.
Strange, but alright.
Hello, sorry to disturb you. Are you on a phone call?
Yeah. It's my mom. What's up?
It's your mom. How are you, mom? I just arrived in Hawaii. I'm just looking to speak to some people. What are you doing tonight?
Oh, I'm actually leaving tonight. I'm just walking around.
Really?
Right now, yeah.
Do you need a ride?
Oh no, thank you.
I got a brand new
I'm
car.
good. I'm okay, thank you.
But
though.
have you seen my car? I mean, that's a pretty good car.
No thanks.
You
I'm
sure?
okay, yeah.
That's fine.
Well,
have a great day. You're missing something though. What?
Is that yours?
Yeah. Sorry, are you the police?
I'm information. So you're at a block 12 stop in
Sorry, I can't understand.
sign right there is
Yeah.
saying don't get any close without a mask.
Okay,
Sign
sorry.
Right there says no stopping.
Okay, and what are you doing tonight?
I'm working.
Oh, and okay. The fuck? I'm sorry, girls. Is it possible that one of you needs a ride?
No.
I got a brand new car. Okay, that's fine.
Salut!
On essaie de se payer des petits avec ça. Tout ce qu'on réussit à avoir, c'est toi. Ok, c'est peut-être pas un bon char pour faire ça.
Ben oui, c'était le bon char, hostie. Moi, t'as vu ça, je suis venu direct. Ben oui, c'est ça. Je savais même pas que c'était à vous. C'est toi? Ouais. Oh, ouais.
Tabarnak, ça marche un peu. Tu sais que ça marche pas, ce petit char-là, tabarnak. Hey, wanna ride? Yeah? Hop in, hop in. Nice. You like the car? Nice. Bon, ça finit notre trip à Hawaï. Fait que là, prochaine vidéo, ça va sûrement se passer dans la grosse neige sale à Québec. Les dernières minutes qui nous restent ici, par exemple, on en profite au maximum.
Oui, on a pas le choix, man.
Puis on décolle. Yes, it's perfect. Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you very much.
I'm so happy.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's a pleasure. Do you want a shirt? It's Buck Boys.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Have a nice day. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks to you. Ah, that's fine, that's fine. Have a great day. Parce que c'est elle qui a tenu la caméra pendant qu'on faisait ce petit moment-là, fait que je voulais donner quelque chose. Chris, on va en donner à d'autres, une tant qu'à ici.
I'll take 2, okay?
You're so good, bro.
Alright, there you go.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Hey, do you guys want a shirt?
We're giving you shirts. That's our YouTube channel. We're giving shirts.
Yeah.
I have a YouTube as well.
Oh, for real?
Yeah?
What's your name?
Cat in Paradise.
Okay, hey, allez la follow, let's go.
I just followed you.
No problem.
Thank you for the photo.
Bye-bye.
Yeah, of
No
course.
problem.
Genre, on voulait donner des gilets à des itinérants, mais eux étaient chauds, tu sais. Allez, gars. Yeah, we got shirts for you guys.
Okay, that's so great.
There you go. I can give you them.
Okay.
And I can give you this. There you go.
Thank you very much.
Have a great day.
Have a good day.
Oh, you have a good day.
Viva Hawaii!
That's what Peter Gazelle.
Hey, wow! Donc là, il y a des beaux bateaux. On fera pas de discrimination. On va donner la merch aux riches. Yes! No. Hello, sir. We're giving free shirts to everyone.
Okay.
Alright.
Well, do. Hey,
Okay.
thanks, guys. Hope
That's
you guys
Buck Boys.
do well.
Yep. Have a great day.
All right. Well, have a good one.
Alright.
Thank you.
Hey.
You too.
Thank you, guys.
Hello.
Hi.
Here's for you.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
Okay.
Goodbye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Have any updated? Still look like maybe all year.
Yeah, we got new design, a little like the game been staining. Got bitches eyeing, they know I'm smooth with the ladies.
Yo yo Vic! Non, c'est ça faut que tu prennes.
Ah, merci, bro.
Pas de trouble.
When I let it fly, you go down and drown like the Navy. I'm getting head on a plane, I'm flying to Vegas, I land in Nevada today. Bitches so fake, be switching up all the days. They like a rat in the cage. Feel last week and I just be rolling up J's. I swear it ain't passing away. All 4 seasons, we should be out every day. We flipping and stacking the cake. I just wanna get to the bag. No grocery shopping, but I'm messed up. Why you gon' sit on your ass? Lazy boy, you a couch master. I got 3 bitches that's bad, they poppin' pussy, all I do is ask them.